is my horse, Kiwi. And there's Pepper,
Hi.
Dallas. What's your horse name?
Rain.
Rain. What's your guys' horse's name?
Nitro.
Nitro, Jamba.
Shifter here next to me.
Rain.
No, yours is Rain.
Yeah, Rain. Oh, Shandis? Oh, what's her name? Shandis, what's your horse name? Jamba.
Jamba,
Where's
like a Jamba juice,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Yep. It's like a cup, okay?
There you go. Are you right handed or left?
Oh, right now.
Open
Right
it up.
hand's gonna hold all
Yes.
the way around.
Shakibi's all the way in the back. Come on, Pepper. No, not Pepper. Come on, Kiwi. Let's go, Kiwi. Kiwi is my horse's name. I don't know what he's doing all the way back there. Look, we're on the big island. So beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at the view.
Stop up there by the gate, guys. We're gonna stop and wait up. Again, just make sure you're watching your spacing, not getting too crowded and on top of each other.
Nitro! They're all doing this.
Repetitive kicks until he goes. Repetitive kicks until he goes. You gotta put your hand forward.
No wonder they name him Nitro, so he could believe he's Nitro. Look, a White House right there. Whoa, look at all this. Wow, nice. I almost fell. You see that? I almost fell. Oh, shit. They said don't feed them, but they're hard. Look, that's Mauna Kea.
superimpose it on
There we
the.
go. Yeah,
I can't stop him from eating. He's so strong.
you sure can.
I thought I was going like this.
Then you're not sitting in your saddle right.
Oh.
You gotta push your feet into your stirrups so that you can.
I just felt that, yes.
After you're coming on this end by Maestro, you're going right there. Go. Yeah, that's no, this. Elena, Spooks is gonna go.
We're gonna go to this tree.
We're gonna come around here to the right, kind of out towards the road, make our way around the right-hand side of the house.
There. Such a pretty tree. And butterfly too. Ah. No eating.